Okay, so our seedlings have sprouted and they are ready to start going in the ground. These ones have gotten a little leggy, so it's definitely time to get them in. But before we shove them out in our garden, it's really important that we harden them off. So what that is just preparing them to go in the ground. You don't want to immediately shove them out in the ground and then have it pour and then not be used to being abused by wind and rain because they've been sheltered in the house or in your greenhouse and then don't know what to do with the outdoors. So what you're going to want to do is put these in the shade somewhere just where the wind is circulating a little bit, and then day by day move them a little bit further out for a little bit longer. So say day one, start them out in the shade in kind of a sheltered place and then leave them there for a couple hours and then put them back in that windowsill or beneath your grow lights or in your greenhouse. Next day you're going to do the same thing but leave them out a little bit longer so that by the end of the week they are in the full sun and ready to go in the ground. Also, while you're hardening off your plants, it's important to keep them moist, but don't water them as much as you would if they were just in your house or in your greenhouse. They need to start getting used to being a little bit abused while being in the garden because you're not going to be there to moisten them every single time the ground gets dry when they're out here. And that's it. That is how you harden off your plants. The next step is to transplant them into the ground, and we'll be there to show you how to do that in our next module.